YouTube. Today is September 24th and it's Thursday. Finally took a day off. Haven't had a day off in a few weeks, and I don't know, just my fault. Just didn't do it. So I took a day off, out for a ride. It's supposed to get sunny today, but it's 75 degrees, so it's beautiful. Had a cool front come in with the rain that we had over the last few days. Oh, noisy truck, sorry. So it's really nice. I don't know where I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna head in a different direction. It's so nice out. I love these nice cool days. These are when I really want to go for long rides. I was gonna take the Goldwing. I don't know, I just have all my riding gear in this, and I would have had to transfer it all over to the back of the Goldwing. No, not a big deal, but I just decided to take this. It's fun to ride, and I'm making it more and more comfortable with these pegs, so that's a big difference. Anyways, sitting at a stoplight again. Come on. There we go. So I'd planned to go up to Dallas tomorrow. Oh, gotta scratch my nose. And spend a few days with my son. So I scheduled a football game with a coach, and now I had to cancel it because we're not going up until Saturday. So we should be, I'm hoping to go up there and have some progress on our build. Should be started breaking ground on our lot to build our house. We're going to be moving up north to outside of Dallas, east of Dallas. So it'll be interesting to see if they got that started. Bye. Now look how pretty the day got. The clouds broke up, the sun came out. It's still 79 degrees. Doesn't get much better than this on a day off. I think I might have had the GoPro facing too far down on the first part of my video, so I actually had to straighten. I got Allen screws in the bolts so I could really tighten them up, but I think it was facing a little bit that way instead of straight forward, which is straight forward now. So let's see if my videos are a little straighter, facing straight forward now. But my gosh, what a day. What a beautiful day. I love just getting on the highway and just going. I don't go any more than like 65 miles an hour, and if I can go, 60, 61, I will, to save some gas. And I get regular 37 miles per gallon on this thing. And I know this is controversial to a lot of spider people, but I burn 87 octane. I've done it since I bought this thing brand new in February. Even the dealership told me they put 87 octane in them. So my spider's been running beautiful ever since, and never hear any knocking, never hear any ill effects, and I get 37 miles per gallon. And I also use Rotella T6 when I do my oil change, so I can buy a gallon of Rotella T6 for $21, $22. And it's full synthetic, so it's a heck of a lot cheaper